What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your Monday, March 11th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. It's a good old Monday here at the mountain, with a couple inches thrown at us yesterday, making way for beautiful packed powder trails, and a great team who was out all night grooming each trail for you skiers and riders of New England. Today will be warmer with a high of 39 and partly cloudy skies, right on top of our 100% open trails, aside from the Polar Playground, operated by 6 lifts. Ski or ride now through closing day for just $168 with our rest of the season pass, or plan ahead for next year and get the rest of this season free with a rest next pass. There will be no day NASCAR racing today. Go online to check out our new operating spring hours. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.